Sure, make it happen.
Make
Whatever. Oh, here we are. Happy Saturday, everybody. This is Christina from HLC Bookkeeping and Office Services, and this is
Krista.
And we come to you every Saturday, 2-ish, to talk about life, right? Where we live, work, and worship, things that we can do better, things that we want to talk about, things that are relevant, things that are current, what? And we just talk. And we did it starting because we had a business, and we were like, I wish somebody would have told us these things when we started our business. Mm-hmm. So we're doing that. We're sharing what we've learned, and then we're also talking about our priorities, right? So where you live, work, and worship.
Yeah, because all of that makes you who you are.
Correct. So we try to impart knowledge, funny stories, whatever.
It's a chain reaction, people. If something happens in your personal life, could affect your business life, could affect your faith life.
Yep.
It's all related.
Correct. So, anywho, we're going to get started. I gave you my name, Krista's name. We're here in Jeanette, Pennsylvania, 513 Laurie Avenue, 724-561-7460. And our website is hlcbookkeeping.com.
Which, again, has tons of resources. Information on it.
Go to the resource. There is so much out there.
There is.
I mean, I'm learning stuff. I try to go on every now and then because I'm like, look at this. This is fabulous. It's just good content. So anywho, we're going to get started with, we do 3 topics and then a bookkeeping topic because that's our business. So the first topic we're talking about today. We got to recap. Krista's the recap girl.
Recap. Simmer down now.
Simmer down.
All right, so we were talking about new business. If you want to have a new business, there are things you have to do. And again, our website, resources, strategies. So you're thinking of starting a business. It gives you a whole how-to.
Yes.
And these are the things we're going to be asking you when you call us.
Yep.
So you can be all prepared and we'll think you're a genius.
We'll be like, these people are
on
the
ready. They're so ready to start. Look, they had all these answered. All right. So that was our first topic. Second topic was networking. I know we talk about it a lot, but it is so important to your business.
Key to business.
It really is. Disaster planning. Not only should you be communicating it to your employees, it should be communicated by putting it in your budget. Right. There are things you have to have.
And you should have a disaster plan where you live, work, and worship.
That's right.
All 3 places.
That's right. And then we also, for our bookkeeping, we discussed general ledger account numbers, pros and cons.
Controversial. You wouldn't believe it.
Truth. All right. So, we're always looking for solutions for our peoples. So
hence HLC Saturday Solutions.
Right. So we now have, we've had for a while, a companion business, ACN Essential Services. I'm just going to talk about one thing. You know how you get phone calls or you get emails from people saying, look at your gas and electric, we can help you, blah, blah, blah. You should be looking at that because prices change constantly.
Yes.
And honestly, all you have to do is call us with your bills in front of you.
We'll tell you where to look on the bill.
And it'll say price to compare. And you should be comparing. And there's tons of companies out there. There's tons of people to help you, but you should be doing it. Correct. So that if that's something we can help you with, we're more than willing to do that.
Correct.
But you should be looking at that because it goes up and down, and there's ways you can lock in rates. So
now, again, where you live, work, and worship, because you pay electric and gas, probably where you live, where you work, where you worship. So
that's right.
Topics for all things, but like a lot of times you got to watch because there is a thing out there called slamming, where people will just call and get you to say the word yes. and then they use that as confirmation for you to change your whatever.
Supplier.
Yeah, electric and gas. So it's always good to have people in your resources that you can trust.
That's right.
Just Joe Schmo calling you sometimes isn't the best.
Right.
So just keep that in mind as well. And there's reputable companies all over. But Krista's very reputable.
We're here.
I'll vouch for you.
Yeah. We're in your neighborhood. So it's fine.
Yeah.
All right. So then,
Second
topic I want to talk about is health. Because we're some chunky monkeys and we need to lose weight.
Yes.
So what? I'm just confessing here. Everybody sees it.
Yeah. Okay, can I just tell a funny story?
Okay.
I'm just going to tell a funny story because we do trade shows and we go to places. 9 out of 10 trade shows, we finish setting up our table, and everybody out there who's at the trade show
Who sells
that
weight loss products
with weight loss is at our table. I wish it was because of our effervescent and fun personalities.
It's so true.
But we kind of know why.
Yeah, we know. we have a suspicion.
Yes. We have a plethora of joy that abounds.
We do. We do.
There you go.
So,
I think it's funny.
We still want to keep our joy just a little bit smaller size. That's all. So one of the things we're prioritizing is our health. And there's a lot of things on Facebook that's not great. But I kept seeing these advertisements for I forget what her name is, Kate something. And she made a recipe book. It's called Kick-Ass Recipe Ebook. And like I'm always like, oh, should I buy it? Should I buy it? I am so glad I did. I am so glad I did. Because
this is all she's been talking about.
It is. Not only are these recipes delicious, okay, but they're easy. And it already has worked out for you. And like my favorite thing, she just updated it. Grocery list.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to think. You just print it, take it to the grocery.
Yeah.
No thinking. That's what I need because I'm too busy to think about it. I don't have time to think. So if you give me the tools I need, I will love you forever.
Yes.
So, and then she added 2 new recipes. But what I like about it, it gives you right on top the protein, the fat, the carbs, and the calories. So boom. You know it. And then it gives you the ingredients, and then it gives you how to prepare it.
And I was going to say, if you give me this, I'll put a link.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put a link out there.
Highly, highly recommend. Now, you might say, well, you're still pretty chunky monkey. I just bought it, people. Give me a month, and then we'll talk.
No, 3 to 6 months.
3 to 6 months.
You get in your routine.
Make a life change. Yeah, because we got to make an exercise program, all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
But I love how helpful she is. So way to go, girl.
Yeah.
All right.
If she could only remember your name.
I know. I know. We will put a link. We'll put a link because I do.
Does it say on there what her link is?
No, this is just the link to the recipe book.
Oh.
But I should print that page.
Yes. Yeah. So I'll put that in the comments because people are going to ask and then we're not going to know.
I know. We'll put it in the comments.
Yeah. We're so not good at the whole E thing. We're learning. We're getting out there.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
And we're not getting paid to say that.
No. And if I find something that works, why wouldn't I share it?
We share it. That's what we do.
That's the whole point.
That's what we do.
That's the whole point. All right. Now, this has been a very trying week for us.
Whew.
In a lot of different ways. So, I'm like, I need some inspirational quotes. So, I went online.
This is a good one.
And this is a good one. It's Winston Churchill.
And
I want to sort of delve into it a little bit. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Because in our professional life, we have seen where someone gets successful and then they don't know what to do. like, they're like, well, I reached my goal. Where do I go? It's not final. Set another goal. It's really that simple, people. It really is.
Yeah. And if you fail your first try,
it's not
so
final.
What? So what?
Maybe if you're skydiving.
Well.
Sorry, a little ad lib.
That's a little too visual. But yeah, so I'm like, failure is a part of life. You're not going to be good at everything, and that's okay.
That's okay.
You're going to get up and fall down, and get up and fall down, and get up and fall down.
That's right.
We've already talked. Life's a roller coaster. It is what it is.
Is what it is.
When you're down on the ground, and sometimes you want to stay there. Yeah. Sometimes you're just tired.
Yeah. But
you still have to get back up.
The courage to continue.
The courage
is what counts. I love that. I think that's so good.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Because we've had other times where businesses are struggling. So that's why they come to us. And they're like, what is that? Imposter syndrome. I feel like people think things that aren't really true and all that. Okay. You're navigating your life.
Correct.
The best you can.
Correct.
First off. So give yourself a little grace. Second off, you had the wisdom to seek help.
Yep.
That's what life is about. There are people out there to help you ask. Because honestly, this is our failing. We never ask for help.
We are.
And we should, because we're not experts at everything. We have to have help in certain things.
But other things we do. We reach out because we know, like, I know I'm not good at this E stuff. Yeah. And so, like, Bailey is excellent at this E stuff. So I talked to her about it because I know that's not my thing. Not my thing. IT stuff. People ask me IT questions. Not my thing. Find an IT person because I'm not going to answer that question for you. So, like, those are things. It's just ironic because what I'm going to talk about with QuickBooks Desktop coming up.
That is really
funny.
But
it is kind of funny. But again, you have to have your IT involved there.
You do.
But anywho, what we're saying is you have to keep moving. And when you're down, if you can't pick yourself up, you have to be able to ask for people to help you get back up.
That's it.
That's simple.
All right. And then while we're talking about the next thing, I want you to Google that girl to see if we can get her name for them.
All right.
But then our topic number 4 is, if you just put in that, I think you'll be fine.
Okay.
QuickBooks Desktop requires, I think it's starting, 10/15? Windows 11. So your computer has to be running on Windows 11. That's her right there.
This one?
Yeah. It has to be running that software or your QuickBooks won't work. So you have to talk to your people about it. Okay? You just have to. No. But again, we're not IT people. Some, like, I know in our case, our what do you call it? Desktops were fine. They just needed Windows 11 put on. But we had 2 of our laptops were pretty old, and they can't even handle it. So I have to purchase 2 additional what are they? Laptops. 2 additional laptops to do it. It's as simple as that. So that's really important, or because October 16th, you're going to be like, what do I do? What do I do? So get her done. Talk to your IT people because it has to happen.
Yeah, because like QuickBooks sits on the system. Like, it's not a standalone. It has to have the system to work. Right? So
that's it.
I mean, it's just that simple.
Yeah, you have to have.
And they're sending out a lot of emails to that effect. We're just telling you, some people have a tendency to go, oh, it's from QuickBooks. They're trying to sell me stuff. I'm not looking. Read the updates because it's going to affect your payroll, your banking, everything. Read the updates.
That's right.
Okay?
That's right.
All right. And then look, I posted the link
Okay.
like you asked me to
Okay.
with this chickie poo. And I'm like, holy crap. Do you see her?
Yes.
Holy crap.
It's like a different species from us.
But
We just want to be healthy.
yeah,
That's
and
all.
we played sports in high school,
Yeah.
and I never looked like that. I'm just saying, that's not going to be me, because I like that little layer of extra protection.
But anyways, but like her book, her recipe book,
are unbelievable,
and they're so approachable.
I was going to say
That's the other thing.
They're not intimidating.
Yeah, it's not like, oh, I have to get this thing I've
Mhm.
never heard of in my life.
Correct.
Where do I even go about finding that?
Yeah.
It's like normal.
Yeah.
So every now and then there's a little exotic thing. Whatever. Substitute.
Or,
Yeah.
I don't know, expand your horizons. How about
Right.
that? Let's not get stuck. People get stuck.
We do get stuck.
Yeah.
Now, some of these, like, of course, I'm allergic to, like strawberries. So
Mhm.
I'm not going to eat that. That's all.
That's correct.
It just won't go on my grocery card.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. You can modify.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay. So I think that's all we had for today, right? Yeah.
Is that all 4 topics?
That's it. So 724-561-7460 to reach out to us on by the phone.
Mhm.
Our website, hlcbookkeeping.com, and our email, office, Christine.
Oh, you wanted me to do
Yes.
it? office@yourhlc.com. And I was going to tell people, if you want to talk to us, you can talk to us through the website.
Yeah.
You can send us a message there. And we also have a confidential upload
Right.
that if you want to send us information, have us look at, we can do it all remotely. You don't have to be in Pennsylvania for us to help you. You
QuickBooks
can be
Online,
anywhere in the world.
We can be anywhere. We've
Mhm.
had clients in Brussels. We've had clients in Texas, Florida,
North Carolina.
You could be anywhere.
I want to hit every state.
Yeah,
That's my
that
goal.
should be our goal.
That's our goal. If you're from a
Client in
different
every
state, I would love to be able to
Idaho.
help you.
We had one in Idaho.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like, these United States are broad.
They're
Feel free to
huge.
share.
Oh my gosh. Then we could do a road trip.
Oh yeah.
Visit those clients.
I know, RV time. That's one of our goals.
That's our big goal.
Yeah. Not the big ones, just a nice little one. That'll be nice. Krista's like wants a big one.
I want a big one.
But she's not going to be the one to drive it.
True. That is true.
So I want the one with the little truck as part of it.
I do too. No, a fifth wheel. That's fine because then you can.
No, not a fifth wheel. The one that has the actual little truck right on it. You know what I mean? Like you walk, it has the truck, and then you walk in.
I like the fifth wheel though because that way you can unhook it and just drive and go to a normal restaurant. You don't have to worry about you have this huge RV.
Oh my goodness.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, well, we'll definitely
up for discussion, obviously.
Yes, obviously.
But keep dreaming, people. Set those goals.
Yeah, absolutely do. That would be a thing where we rent one to try it out too.
Yeah, I'm addicted to what show is that? RV Nation, where they show you all different kinds. Oh,
these are fancy schmancy.
Yeah,
very bougie.
Yeah, I'm like,
I love it.
I'm more utilitarian, I guess.
Yeah,
but I want a comfortable bed. I do want to be able to sleep comfortable. And it's got to have two.
Yeah.
Because we can't share. We've learned on numerous family trips when they put us in the same room.
Not a good idea. No. Not a good idea.
No. She's so messy. She's so messy.
I tell people I'm high maintenance all around. Every aspect of my life.
That's it. She didn't make the bed. Nothing.
Whatever.
All right.
All right, everybody. You have a wonderful, happy Saturday. And then we will see you next week.
That's right. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.